debate.
$5.
Creativity.
My Lord. That's the arts department.
A lot of you this morning spoke about culture and performing arts, and so I know there is a need in the community for it, and I'm glad to tell you that we are already working on it. The Wildemar Cultural 5 Center Park received their incorporation papers this last week, and our next step is our nonprofit paperwork. But the performing arts is going to be one of our centers, so this is pretty much based on what we're planning to do. And it's going to encompass plays, singing, music, dance, children's theater, teaching classes, and exhibits. And when I say music or dance, I don't mean just one type. I mean all kinds of dance, all kind of music, all kind of everything. And it's for people of all ages too, from children to seniors. To recruit for this, we are using newspapers, schools, old theaters, websites, word of mouth. We've had a lot of people who know people who would like to be involved, and all of you are welcome to join us. You can talk to Nancy Noble, the chair. I'm the vice chair, and Kathy is the secretary. So we welcome you to get involved and help us with this project. We are also contacting local TV stations. We intend to market it by starting small with plenty of room for growth and to establish a reputation of quality instead of having a lot of quantity before we start expanding. Facility needs, we intend to have outside and inside theaters and classrooms and practice spaces so that people will have a place to set up their piano and you know, they can have a class right there. Identity, we want local talent. We're not so much interested in the headline names. You can go to the casino if you want to see somebody famous. I'm not saying we're never going to have a concert of some famous group, but we really want to develop the local talent. This is for you, the community, and the surrounding area. The role we see the city playing in this is assisting us maybe with getting a site, getting land, planning in the process, including getting permits and that kind of thing, possibly taking care of the infrastructure, maybe the roads and things like that for us, but that's way down the road. Funding needs would be, we don't intend to ask the city at this time for money. We would intend to have it be supported by the users and through fundraising, such as our first event that is going to be in February, and getting grants and business sponsors. That's it.